And you know what? Let's do something better with this. And I'll show you something I learned about symbols that we did, but I never really got into it until I worked on a client project and I saw this client's project's previous Webflow developer do something with symbols. I was like, so that's how you use the new feature. That's amazing. So check it out. Check it out. All right. So this top bar, um, yeah, let me delete these two real quick. All right. So this top bar, check this out. This top bar, this UI element is going to be the same all the time. There's going to be one line at the top, one line at the bottom right here. So two lines right here for the H1, and then a picture of something. All right. So it's always going to be the same. Check this out. Right click, create symbol. All right. And I'm going to name the symbol intro bar. All right. Now this is the master. And I was like, oh crap, that's how you use it. Check it out. All right, here we go. So, override fields. All right, to create a field, select on an element within the symbol and click link to field. All right, so I'm going to click on this and I'm going to say link to field, new override field. And I'm going to name this intro line 1. Then I'm going to click this, link to field, new override field, and call it intro line 2. Click my funny face and this. Oh, okay, yeah. So there's a little purple sign, a little purple dot. Click it, new override field, call it funny picture or whatever you want to name it. All right. So you're kind of doing like making CMS fields, but not. Hey, stay with me. Stay with me on this. All right. So, yeah. So I'm going to click out and there we go. We've made 3 fields. Now let me copy this intro bar. And I'm going to go to my about page. I'm going to go to this intro bar, delete it, put intro bar back. And so we have those, right? But check this out. Check this out. Wow, that's a big file size. Shame on you, Nelson. But check this out. I can go here and be like, text says about. Intro line 2 says my name. Boom. Yo, we're done. So we're reusing UI elements. Using symbol. What? So when I saw that, I thought to myself, I've been doing things all wrong. What is wrong with me? So I can do that right now with these. So let's set these up right now. Let's set these up. I'm going to go back to my style guide. Right? I could do that with these too. Like, gosh. Okay, so here we go. 2-column grid. I'm going to right click, create symbol, and call it 2-col grid parentheses left. Create symbol. All right. And so this rich text block, I'm going to press plus, new override field, and call it the content. And then this image, I'm going to press plus, new override field, the image. Boom, done. Let's go on to the next one. Right click, create symbol, 2-col grid right. New over, oh, wait, hold on. Rich text block. Boom. The content. Click on that. Boom. The image. So if I ever reuse these, all I have to do is, so cool. Stay up late says, so is this then a new stored symbol or is it a unique one-time off version? It's a unique one-time off version. So if I go to my add symbols, notice how my intro bar, it says 2 instances, but it's not like I see intro bar and then intro bar again in this list. This list isn't going to be like miles long or kilometers long. It's just that's so cool. Yeah, so I learned that over a week or so ago, and I was like, wow, I've been doing it all wrong. So here you go. So check this out. I'm going to delete all 3 of these, and let's just put in our symbols. So Command E to call right. Cool. And let me copy paste that. And so now we have to call right twice. But I'm also going to do to call left. Boom. Stick that in between. Cool. And so all I have to do is just like double click. Wait, no. Sorry. I have to single click because I don't have to edit the call or the symbol. I can just single click, edit rich text, and there you go. Like what? So awesome. So where it all began, and then this one, edit rich text, and this one's like, where it all began. What was the second one? I'm just getting too excited. Yeah. just yeah. And then here, I think I like. Then it became a personal mission. There should be a save button because when I click close, I feel unsure right now. Like, ooh, is it gonna save? But it's saved. Mark, if you're watching, save button. It makes me feel better. Yeah. Bye Noops. Hello, welcome, new person on the stream. Welcome. Yes, this is my site that I'm working on. My current site I'm not happy with, but just like every other web designer, we're never happy. But yeah, so homepage done. And so like cool. So what's next? Skills? Let me go to what's my skills? I don't know. Do I have skills? Do I? All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can just use my cards and do like a 3 something. Yeah. I don't know. Going off the cuff here. Let's go ahead and duplicate this and call it skills. Where it all. This is genius. Save some. I know, right? Okay, so we're on the skills page. So let's go ahead and just reuse everything. Hello. Yeah. Where's my mouse? Mouse. There you are. All right, so just change the line. Show me your skills. That just seems wrong. I need something else. The skills that pay the bills. I don't know. Pays. This is not final content. I just like playing. All right. So I don't think I should be using these. I think I should be using cards. And so let's go back to my style guide and play around with cards. So will I be using this exact style? Eric, why do you need to create fields for the symbol? Why not just create a symbol and edit the content on it directly? If you edit the content in a symbol, it'll change the content on all symbols if you don't create a field for it. Yeah. Thank you, stay up late. All right, cool. So I have 6, so maybe I can use this card again. Let me see here. Let me go to my skills. Actually, I'll go to the home. Just copy this right here and paste. Nope, paste it in styles or skills. What if I put it here? So maybe I'll do it like this, and then this won't be a 4-column grid. This will be a 3-call grid. It's 3. Then I have like that. Push this away by like 42. Yeah, I think this will look good. Like showing the 6 skills that I have. Only 6. Which is... I should add a 5th one. Oh yeah. Yeah, I should leave these. Mouse clicking and emailing. I'm leaving those as my skills. You gotta have some fun with your portfolio site. I just thought of that. If you're a fan of IT Crowd, that old British comedy series, I know mouse clicking, left clicking, right, deleting emails, sending. All right, so let's write this. Webflow UX. Should I use symbols on this? Yeah, let's try it. Yeah. I don't think I'll use the same things because I have content within each of those cards. Should it be a rich text so I can get those? So I can get those bullets. Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, let's play around with symbols more. That's fun, and I think I need to rename this stream style guide and symbols, symbol overrides or something. Yeah, let's do it. Let me delete this. I don't think I'll need an image for it, so I'm gonna delete that. But in here, so we have the card title, and then in here we have rich text. You can't put rich text in a link block. Well, this doesn't need to be a link block, so let me right click, convert to div block. I mean, if you click on this, where's it gonna go? I mean, it's just listing my skills. So delete all of this real quick. Oop. Plus, then item 1, 2, 3. And then this will say like skill name. Ooh, there's a question. Can I change an embed code inside of a symbol doing that symbol override? Let's see. Yeah, I have this card. I'm gonna right click it, create symbol, and we're gonna call it card. Symbol overrides. Take this embed icon. Lesson learned. You can't. So you can't use this cool newfangled thing with custom code. And I do it with jQuery? No, that would just make it more complicated. Wah wah. Okay. Since that's not happening, because I don't want to put an SVG that I can't control. I want to be able to change the color of this. Well, I guess it'll just be a logo of the thing or some sort of icon of the thing, because We would have the W of the Webflow logo. UX can just be some basic graphic or something. No code automation could be like a lightning bolt. Live streaming could be like a video camera. Mouse clicking a mouse is an envelope. Yeah, okay. Let's do it. So we'll just call this title icon. Yeah. 2525. So it's gonna be something like that. Is that 25? No, it's 2020. Then it has 8 on the side. Cool. It just, yeah, we'll do it like that. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna right click the card, create symbol, call it a card. And then I'm going to select this and call it a title icon like this. Call it skill name or title. And then we'll select rich text block and we're going to call it content. And we don't have a link. Oh, well, this one doesn't need a link. All right. So this is a card without link. This is just informational card. In fact, I should rename that. Informational card. Cool. All right. So let me delete all the other cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. So let me just skill name. Webflow. Rich text. Cool. Let me just copy paste. Cool. I don't like how. So this is what I learned from my wife. It's called a rag. When you have a block of text or something, you have like content, and then like you want a nice rag where it's like the end of it. If you think about type as a shape, you want the right side to flow rather than like what you see right here. It's like short, a little bit longer, and then way too long. So now my brain is saying maybe I should say advanced animations and advanced interactions. See, now it flows a little bit better. I need a save bar. Feels weird not putting a save. Cool. And no, I don't like the type of this. So let's go ahead and fix this. Card rich text element. Huh? Ugh. See what happened? I'm trying to style this, but I can't. I thought I can because it's not dynamic, but because I linked it, it kind of is dynamic. That's confusing. All right. Well, all right. One thing I can do is just put another rich text, call it card RTE, put some bullets in there, press escape. So now, because it's not purple, see how this one's purple? You can't style purple ones. You can style white ones. So I'm going to click on the white one, click on list, or actually the list item. Then all items inside of card RTE. So what I did was all items inside of RTE. Now I can style it. There we go. Yeah, that wasn't cool, man. Okay, cool. And so when I'm done with that, I can just take out the static version and all the dynamic versions will be fixed. Cool. So if I click outside, boom, now it looks good. All right, moving on. Skill name. What's the other skill name? UX. UX. And oh, I have nothing for UX. I genuinely care about the user. I do. It's not a joke. But I have no extra bullet points, so I need to figure out what to put there. No code automation. Edit rich text, and let me just. Cool. Done. Next. Live streaming. If you're getting dizzy as I'm like doing all this stuff, I'm sorry. Should S be capitalized? You. I was gonna put YouTube. Using a point and shoot camera. Yeah. Or should this be teaching and presenting? Yeah. Public skills. Public speaking. Yeah. Yeah, much better. So, YouTube live streaming. Workshop. In-person workshops. What else do I do? Well, that's also workshops. Yeah, those two. And this one is mouse clicking. One's left, right, roll wheel. What else do I got? Middle. Oh yeah. You gotta pad your CV. You gotta pad your resume. You know, you gotta show people everything you know. Go and then horizontal scroll. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I think that's good. I'm not lying. I know all of these things. And then lastly, email. Send, reply, all, only when needed, and delete. And put inbox 0. And then and then an asterisk for inbox 0. And then put like put some sort of footnote somewhere saying still working on it. Oh no. Yeah. Good resume, Nelson. I like it. I like the way you know how to do a horizontal scroll. Thank you, sir. Or ma'am. All right. Cool. So, yeah.